What is the word, my guys? You know what I'm saying? Look, listen, I ain't gonna lie. Real kind of crazy right now, no cap. I gotta try to figure out, fix my settings, you feel me? No cap, so don't mind it. I'm still trying to fix my camera settings. Even though I had this camera for so long, I'm trying to fix the settings. But look, I ain't gonna lie, before this video starts, I want y'all to like this video, type the video. I want y'all to start commenting on the video. I'm starting to get my views. My views is doing good. My views doing good. I don't know. It might not be the same for y'all. Y'all might not think the same, but I feel like my views doing good. Man, y'all hit that like button and comment below. I want to see more interaction. I don't want to see. I'd rather have less views than interaction. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? I'd rather have more interactions than I have views. Like, man, y'all comment on the video. Let me know what y'all want to see. You know what I'm saying? This and that. You know what I'm saying? Interact. I'm saying anyway. But look, listen. I ain't gonna lie. We in a big chrysler thing right now. You can see. You know what I'm saying? Yes. So look, my water pump had went out the other day, right? And I just fixed it. So I come in on videos. I wasn't outside at all. It's like 3 days. It's like probably like 3 days total to fix it. I was on and off on it. So I could have fixed it in one day. I was on and off, and I had to order the part or whatever. So I got it fixed and everything. But basically, what I'm about to do right here, this video is not about to be no point of view drive or anything today. It's about to be like something where I'm just describing, like I'm just showing my car and showing how much money I put into the car, like on every part, every single part. I'm explaining every single part that I got and putting, you know what I'm saying? And let y'all know how much money I put into the car, inside and maybe out. I don't know, but yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I do got my little leathers or my cloth seats in the back, you see right there. But yeah, so that's what I'm about to do for this video. This is just a little intro, you know what I'm saying? When I'm driving, I might park up, you know what I'm saying, do this video, you know what I'm saying, or something like that, I don't know. But basically, yeah, that's what the video gonna be about. So we about to make that video. Okay, boom. So look, listen. This is the Chrysler 300 right here. I ain't gonna lie, you know what I'm saying. And to be honest with y'all, I'm about to make this video quick. It ain't gonna be too long, probably like a good 10 minutes, you know what I'm saying. I might stretch it out, to be honest with you, because, you know what I'm saying, like I said, I don't think I really got much, you know what I'm saying, to really explain. So basically, look, I'm just gonna go over the basic stuff that y'all already see right now, you know what I'm saying. Y'all obviously see, you know what I'm saying, the rap on here. To be honest with y'all, listen, my homeboy done this rap for me, you know what I'm saying. Shout out King, my guy. And look, and I know y'all looking at y'all like, bro, what? I ain't gonna lie, I messed it up. So don't, you know what I'm saying, listen. So basically, look, the price that I had paid for this rap is, look, I want y'all to guess, before I even say, I want y'all to try to guess to see what it is. I want y'all to guess, try to see what y'all think I paid for the rap. I know the lighting probably bad, but I'm saying, I'm outside, I'm saying it's I don't know, it's bad. I'm outside and it's bad, bro. Let me try to fix it, see if I get some better light. Oh my gosh. Okay, bet. It's gonna be like this. So, but look, y'all try to guess, see how much y'all think I paid for the wrap. Bro, I had paid $2,200 for it. No, yeah. I'm saying, oh my gosh. They ain't coming out. I paid $2,200 for the wrap though, you know what I'm saying? It's a little beautiful thing, you know what I'm saying? It still look good regardless, you know what I'm saying? I missed the spoiler. I said I'm missing the spoiler, no. But yeah, I had paid $2,200 for the wrap and everything, you know what I'm saying? Everything do look good though, you feel me? So yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I'm proud of it, you know what I'm saying? Especially, you know what I'm saying? My car like before. Huh? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so basically, yeah. So basically, I paid $2,200 for the wrap, right? You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna add that up all on the screen right now. $2,200, right? So yeah. Somebody just said, keep it up, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I appreciate it though. But nah, $2,200 for the wrap, right? And like I said, I'm gonna start with the obvious, you know what I'm saying? The rims, the side markers, you know what I'm saying? The grill, the front bumper, you know what I'm saying? All that stuff is different because y'all see how my car was before. Y'all know I didn't have all that stuff before. So look, the rims, I paid like $1,200 for the rims, realistically, you know what I'm saying? $1,200 for the rims, you feel me? If y'all know, these are SRT 5 spokes, you feel me? No, yeah. And I'm thinking about getting rid of it too, because look, guess what? I think about getting rid of it. This is just for the fact that I had curb rashed it, bro. I curb rashed it and I don't even want it no more, bro, at this point. You know what I'm saying? Like it got to that point where I'm just like, bro, like, I had messed it up. I don't know. Like this whole situation on the side made me lose all motivation for, like, not all motivation for the car, but it made me like, bro, it's always something, bro. But look, know what I'm saying? So yeah, paid $1,200 for the rims too. And then guess what? Look, everything I say, I want y'all to try to guess how much I paid before I even see it. Side markers, guess how much I paid? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I paid $20 for those, no cap. And I had to get the little things in the hood, you know what I'm saying, to little pins in the hood, just to basically wire it, like to wire them up together. Hold on, let me get my key. My key don't be working at all. But I had to get the little things in the hood just to wire it on the side, whatever, you know what I'm saying? You can't see from here. But yeah, I had got those right there for like, I'm saying $20, you know what I'm saying? Total, you know what I'm saying, you know? And I also had got the little plastic dip, but you know, I can't count this as you know what I'm saying, what I done to it, because you know what I'm saying, like I said, this didn't even come out right. But yeah. Basically, I got the little caps right here, the door caps. They're like $15, you know what I'm saying? Probably 20. I don't really know how much, you know what I'm saying? You know, stickers, you know what I'm saying, cost by like, you know what I'm saying, a 20 ball, you feel me? No, yeah. Window. Yeah, I be doing, yeah. Base tay. Base tay. Base tay. Yeah. Nah, BASEDTAE. It's right here. They about to come up here and you know what I'm saying, look at it or whatever. Gotta come up here and look at it. Yeah, this one right here. Yeah. I be doing car videos and stuff. Car videos? Uh-huh. Yeah. You can search me up. You can take a picture of it and do it later on. But yeah, you know what I'm saying, these little kids, people, you know what I'm saying, ask me to do YouTube. But yeah, basically, yeah, a little sticker, you know what I'm saying, $20, whatever. I'm saying a little tent, you know what I'm saying, I did a tent myself, but I bought the tent for like $30-something, but I wouldn't count that, you know what I'm saying. But basically, I ain't really do much to the car for it. I got a little tune, you know what I'm saying, $350 tune, you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying, and everything. But, you know, I got the little cluster swap also, you feel me, the little cluster, and the U-Connect thing. U-Connect, that junk was the most expensive thing. So the harness, when I got the harness, before I started making harness, I paid like $350 for the harness. The U-Connect spring like $250, probably $300. And then the cluster, I paid like $80. And these seats, I paid $100 for it. And I got these back seats for free. But basically, I paid $100 for those seats. And yeah, to be honest with you, I ain't gonna lie. Realistically, I don't know. I can't really think about anything else that I have did to the car, that I have put into the car. You feel me? I can't really think about the prices or like all the mods I did. I just know I bought this bumper for like, you know what I'm saying? And this video might be all over it, my bad. But I bought this bumper for at least like, I think I bought the bumper for like 400 something, 400. You know what I'm saying? And at that, under the bumper, I had got the color match. You know what I'm saying? Paint. I got the paint. Then I paid like $250 for that paint. So yeah. I ain't gonna lie, it's a whole, you know what I'm saying, you know, a whole bunch. But to be honest with y'all, I don't really know what else I can say. Like, if y'all seen something on the car that I had messed up, I went through 2 spoilers already. I ran through 2 spoilers, but they all came off. Y'all got anything, and I got the rear bumper too for $100, but if it's anything that y'all, you know what I'm saying, I missed out, let me know, you know what I'm saying, but that was just this part of the video right now, because I ain't got nothing else, you know what I'm saying. I can't really think about anything else that I did to the car, to be honest with you, like realistically. So, I want y'all just yeah, I can't really think about anything else, bro. So if I missed something out, just let me know. No cap, cause I might be tripping. Oh, my car won't start. No. My bad at that video. That whole thing seemed like it was rushed. No cap. I'm saying, oh, the lighting is bad, bro. Freak. I bet if it seen rush and everything like that, bro. I ain't gonna lie, it was hot as I don't know what, you feel me. And plus, you know what I'm saying, like I said, I ain't never nervous, but everybody was staring at me and stuff like that, you feel me? But I might have just, you know what I'm saying, give y'all a point of view on the way to, you know what I'm saying, yeah. Maybe I might give y'all a point of view, I don't know. But basically, yeah, I just want to explain everything that I had paid for the car. Like, bro, like, I really don't know exactly what I had. Like, I know what I had put on the car, but it's like so much that, it's not much, but like, you know, it's to the point where, like, I don't know. Most of the stuff I don't count it as mods, but this is like the price that I put into the car, you know what I'm saying, of doing anything with. Feel me? Like, there's a lot of things that I've done that I took off that I had to redo and things of that nature. Or like I went through like 3 spoilers. Like, I went through like the spoiler with a wicker bill, and that's when I went through another spoiler, and then the spoiler, like the little newer spoiler I got recently. I don't know if y'all seen that one, like the little chrome, but like the little dips in there. But then that one flew off. But you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, I've been through a whole bunch of stuff that, you know what I'm saying, so if we really counting them, I had really, you know what I'm saying, just lost. I went through a lot of money, you know what I'm saying, just rebuying parts, you know what I'm saying, that may have, basically, yeah, like I said, I'm still trying to put more into the car, you know what I'm saying? But I'm taking my time now because I'm a dad now. I'm a father, you feel me? I can't be sitting here spending money on all this car stuff, you know what I'm saying? When I'm a dad now, you know what I'm saying? I gotta be easy, you feel me? So that's all I'm trying to do. I'm being easy, you know what I'm saying? Taking my time. And I'm just trying to make these videos too, you know what I'm saying? Hoping this thing will work out, you feel me? Because I ain't gonna lie. This is what I want. This is what I need. My teeth look white. Ooh. Yo, yeah. Stop playing. Ah. But no, though. Yeah, though. Yeah. This is what I want. This is what I need. You know what I'm saying? I gotta make these videos. You know what I'm saying? So I can. You know what I'm saying? Y'all like these videos, interact. You know what I'm saying? Comment on y'all. Like I said, I'd rather have interactions than views on this video, because like I said, the interactions is what really gonna make it go up. And interactions will make me feel like I'm doing what I gotta do, you know what I'm saying, in these videos, like make it interesting for y'all to see, and make it something that y'all will want to watch. You feel me? If I'm not getting no interactions, I'm like, dang, like, do they like this video? You know what I'm saying? Like already even watching a video for real. Like, I'd rather have like 30 views, like 100 comments. You feel me? Like, come on now. You feel me? But anyways, I appreciate everybody that did watch this video. I don't know if I'm gonna add more to it, but you know what I'm saying? Anyways, just, yeah, hit that button, comment, and you know what I'm saying, yeah.